It's the Melon Playground Show. Apple BlackSmith. I don't know what's the word of this, and someone's telling me to make this in Roblox. Yeah, you already know now who is it. Ah, what a nice day. Wait, would I have what? Emerald sword. Melon Playground Melon Playground fixed this, and the bug is gone. No, I just want the first time like corn. Hi. We're selling only these. Oh, what is that body? Oh, it's Melon. He accidentally get roped it because that's well good. I won't have another sword or a default. We are like creating this. Take it now. Here. Thank you. Wait. Oh my god. Pumpkin. I'm sorry, guys. I'll help you, Pumpkin. Ah! Oh man. No, why it's broken? You should. Can you please unleash me? Okay, sure. What will you do now? I'll reverse it all. Turn into normal. The previous video this made.
Apple BlackSmith.
And this one is my made or because it's
Welcome to Apple BlackSmith in a nutshell. Man, I'm sorry guys. I had to do this. Ding dong. Oh, I think there's a customer. And even my leg's broken. Oh, don't touch that. Hi. Oh, hi. Wait. I think I want something.
okay, it's taking so long. That's what I need to make because if not, it's broken and he cried. Well, Apple, what happened? You're not crying. It's supposed to someone. Whoa, Apple. What your tears hurting me? Hurry up. Okay, that's it. I need to make it seriously. If not, he's mad. Okay. What do you want? I was doing war because today this is Indonesia, another August 17. Wow, that was so cool. Okay, I'll creating the bomb. Hopefully you'll win in Indonesian. Wow, that's too big. Wait, I don't have any truck. How do I put this? Thank you so much, Apple. See you soon. Bye. Oh, okay. Bye. Ah, what a nice day. Wait, I said see you later. Okay. I know. See you later. I know. Ah. Whoa. safe. I'm scared. That's burning things. R.I.P. Pumpkin. You will be my best later. Oh, hello, Apple. I am Corn. Even Melon's not here yet. He's taking care of Melon. Melon is sick today. What? How is he sick? I don't know. But will you give me a proto gun back? Oh, it's the reverse gun. Yeah, reverse gun. I don't have any hand. You can't climb, right? I can't. Well, here, my thruster. No, thanks. Okay, fine. How do I do now? My reverse gun. I think I can show it. Ting, ting, ting. Yeah. Hurry up. Wow. Thank you. Boss, I think the engine's so hot here. I feel I'm sweat. I don't care. What are you saying? Okay, he's died again. Help me! Wait, he's still alive? Yes, I am. But it's hard to control this because the engine is broken. Oh no. We're going to fell and stomp Apple. Ah! Oh, phew. Oh, okay. Why everyone keep scare me? That's creepy. I'm sorry. No, it's broken. Boss, I think I'm getting so hot here and I'm sweating more than before. It's all my teammate. No, it's not your team fault. It was a hot it was a hot engine. Yeah, I think. Boss, I'm getting sweat here. What is this? The whole place is burning. I'm going to save my teammate. Boss, I'm feeling sweating here. Hold stand. And I'm getting more sweat here. Oh, that's my sweat. How hot is the entire robot? What is this place? It's like help. Help me, please, boss. Help. I'm coming. Well, hopefully, it's okay. Oh my God! Wait, how did we alive? We're safe. Oh my God, we're safe. Yeah, we're safe. Wait, how you're being blacksmith? Oh, someone just want me to be blacksmith. Okay. Oh, okay, that's too heavy. Wait, where's my teammate? Oh. No. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Wow, this was the best Melon Playground show ever. Well, I'm trying to This plush is kind of good. Hi. My name is Boyo. You're my favorite fan, right? Right? Yes. That was a good non-playground show.